What's going on, guys? Just Games 101 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be fixing our mics on Xbox One. So first off, the easiest step, as I did, I'm gonna take this part out from the Xbox One, and if you can see that circle right there, you don't want to see that. You want to push that back in as shown. Then you want to put it back on. And then it should start working. But if that doesn't work, then this is the next step. This guy gets out of here. Alright. So what you guys want to do is, your Xbox One mic is here. Oh, the Xbox One is here, right? So this is the cable that you want to pull out. This one right here. Then you want to push it back in, and this will literally restart your whole Xbox. So you want to let that settle in, so that's ready. And then yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So peace out.